Hi, I'm Devendra Reddy from E-Ride E-Mobility Company. I would like to congratulate NI-MSME for completing their 6 years, and on the 60th anniversary of NI-MSME, they're going to conduct an international seminar on green energy. This is going to be in lines of Government of India's ambitious plan to be carbon net neutral by 2070 and also to achieve the 30% of carbon reduction in carbon emissions by 2030. And I'm honored and humbled to let you know that I'm part of, as an advisor, I'm part of this event. And also I'm going to share scope and opportunities in EV industry in lines with Government of India objectives. Many eminent personalities, entrepreneurs, bureaucrats at senior level are going to address the gatherings. And it's going to be a knowledge session, and there will be many takeaways for SMEs and students. Request you all to join this occasion, and once again congratulating NI-MSME on their 60th anniversary. Signing off, Devendra Reddy from E-Ride E-Mobility Company.